Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Yesterday, I gave you a video rerun. I hope it was helpful. I have been sick with a cold, and I apologize. Today, I'm trying to be professional and put one out there for you anyway. So we're going to do our regular 3 things every day: our routines, our weekly plan item, and our zone. So we have 5 routines: morning routine, laundry routine, paper routine, which can go away, after dinner routine, and evening routine. And we have one basic weekly plan item today, and that is our errand day. And we have one zone item, which is either in our master bedroom, master bathroom, or master closet. Okay, we're going to start with our routines. First thing we're going to do, if you have someone to care for, get up 30 minutes before that person and take care of yourself. So that means do your morning routine. Now yesterday, I'm taking care of my parents this week. Didn't feel well. My dad woke up at 6:30 instead of 7, which took away my half hour. So I was able to throw my covers up and make my bed real quick, throw on my clothes, which I had already laid out, wash my face, and fly to the kitchen to take care of him so he could get out of here, because he goes to work every day, his own business, but he requires a lot of help. So, and take care of the dog. So I took care of them, and then I took care of my mother, and then there I was. I hadn't done taking care of me. I had done some of the basic things, open the curtains, the things that I do in the morning routine, but I didn't do the part where I washed my face, and I put on moisturizer, and I put on makeup, and I comb my hair, and I put on my jewelry. And frankly, I didn't feel like it, so I stayed in that state all day with no makeup on. And I didn't make a video for you. I didn't make a video for Patreon. And I apologize. Today, I asked my father to please stay in bed until 7, even if he woke early, because I needed that half hour to get ready. So this morning I was able to get up, make my bed, get my clothes on, wash my face, brush my teeth, brush my hair, put on my jewelry, put on my moisturizer, put on my makeup, swish and swipe, open all the curtains, take care of the dog, mop the laundry room floor, which I do every day because that's where the dog's pad is, and you know how that goes. Empty the dishwasher, pick some oranges, squeeze some juice, make breakfast, pancakes and sausage for Dad and myself, and coffee. Give my mother her pill, give my father his pills, pack his lunch, get him off to work. So I have people to take care of in the morning. Now my mother is still asleep while I'm making this video, but when she gets up, I'll make her pancakes and sausage and squeeze her some fresh juice. And then I'll have the rest of the day just to chill, because I do have a cold and I'm not going to do too many things today. All right, so what are you going to do? You're going to get up a half hour before the family, and you're going to take care of yourself, because it puts your head in a different place, and it makes you feel better about yourself, even if you do have a cold or whatever. All right, next thing is your basic weekly plan. So our basic weekly plan on Thursdays is always errand day. So if you're working, you've gotten up this morning, you've done your morning routine, you put your children through their morning routine, you've gone off to work, you've said hello, you've gotten your coffee, your water, you've gone to your clean desk, you've opened up your control journal. If you don't have one, please go to my playlist, Control Journal, and look at Office Control Journal. Make yourself a control journal. It'll change your life. It really will. So look at your control journal, do your mundane things first, get rid of your excess email that's building up, file those things that are sitting on your desk or in your to be filed file, and then get to work. What is it you wanted to achieve this week? Now, you're going to take full advantage of your breaks and lunches, because you need those things to refresh and keep your mind sharp and talk to your friends and those kinds of things. Okay, next, we're going to also use a little of that time to take care of our errands. Now, our errand day is grocery day and running some other errands. So on your lunch hour, you may want to run those other errands, but not groceries. You don't want to get groceries on your lunch hour, or you could, but I don't know how cold it is where you are or how warm it is where you are. The better thing, I think, would be to order it or delegate it. So that's what I'd like you to do today. You have your list from yesterday, so today you're going to order your groceries if it's at all possible. If not, you may have to delegate that or handle it on Saturday. All right, when you get home, you're going to put in a load of laundry. You're going to do your 1 inch of paper. You remember your paper routine? If you don't, please go watch the video. And then after your paper routine, you're going to start dinner. And then once you get dinner to the stage where it can hold, either simmer or be warm in the oven or in the crock pot or whatever, then you're going to go take care of your bedroom. So for 15 minutes, you're going to declutter and then complete the process. Or if you don't have clutter in there, you're going to clean one thing. Could take 5 minutes, could take 2 minutes, could take 15 minutes. Once that's done, you're going to go back to the kitchen and you're going to finish dinner. Then the family's going to help you with the after dinner routine. And then everybody's going to do their before bed routine. You do yours first if you're super tired. That's your plan for today. You can do this and you can do it well. At home fly babies, you're going to do the same thing in a different order. So you're going to do your morning routines, you're going to do the children's routines, or observe your children's routines, or help if they're 3 or under, assist if they're 4 to 7 possibly. All right, then you're going to do your laundry and your paper routine. And then once that's done, you're going to always start with your basic weekly plan. Your basic weekly plan is errand day, so go to the grocery store, get that done, put everything up. Prep everything for the week if you can, and think about dinner, because you've been running around. You might have other errands. You might want to do something in the crock pot before you go. All right, and hopefully you thought about that last night so you could lay the things out and not forget, especially if you're working. The next thing we're going to do is our zone, which is the bedroom. So go into your master bedroom and take care of it. Either declutter for 15 minutes or clean something. It's so much easier to clean something when there's no clutter. And you won't have clutter if you continue after you've decluttered to complete your processes. Do your clutter checks with your kids. Inspect what you expect. After dinner, we're doing the after dinner routine and then the before bed routines. Now, don't forget your laundry during the day. Keep your ear out for it. Put it in the dryer. Once it's dry and warm, take it out, fold it, hang it up, and put it away. That's doing the laundry. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Thursday. And always remember that you are beautiful.